In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code E87 quickly and safely. This error is usually tied to login and session problems, corrupted cache, or a connection issue, so we're going to work through the most effective fixes step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. First, fully close Steam. Don't just click the X in the corner because Steam can keep running in the background. Open Task Manager, find Steam, and end every Steam process you see. Once that's done, reopen Steam and try signing out, then sign back in again. A simple logout and login can refresh the session and clear temporary account issues that sometimes trigger E87. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the Steam download cache. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam may ask you to sign in again after that, which is normal. This step helps remove damaged temporary data that can interfere with connecting to Steam servers. After that, restart your internet connection and your router. Power cycling your network can fix hidden connection problems that are blocking Steam from authenticating properly. Unplug your router for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, wait for the connection to fully restore, and then test Steam again. Next, check whether a VPN or proxy is turned on. Steam login issues can happen when your network route changes unexpectedly. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily. On Windows, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Proxy, and make sure proxy settings are turned off unless you specifically need them. Another important fix is syncing your system time. If your computer clock is out of sync, Steam can have trouble verifying your session. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time, and click Sync now. Make sure your time zone is correct too, because even a small mismatch can cause authentication problems. Now let's repair the Steam service. Press Windows and R on your keyboard, and in the Run box, paste the Steam Service Repair command for your installation and run it as instructed. This helps repair the service files Steam relies on in the background. If you're not sure where Steam is installed, make sure you're using the default Steam directory path before running the repair. If the issue continues, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall just long enough to test Steam. Security software can sometimes block Steam from connecting properly, especially after updates or network changes. If Steam works after disabling it, you'll know the security software is the cause, and you can add Steam as an exception instead of leaving protection off. You can also try resetting your network settings. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, then run ipconfig/flushdns and netty-esh winsock reset. After those commands finish, restart your PC. This clears cached network data and resets your Winsock settings, which often helps with stubborn connection-related errors like E87. Finally, if none of these steps fix the problem, reinstall Steam from the official Valve website. A fresh install can replace damaged files and restore missing components that may be causing the error. Just make sure to download Steam only from Valve's official source to stay safe, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Steam error code E87 and get back into your account. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Steam troubleshooting tutorials.